Namaste students. We are going to start with permutations. The last two videos we just did the basics. Alright. We did the principle of counting, or we say the principle of multiplication, and then we did the factorial notation I told you, which is very important for permutations and combinations. So we are going to start with the first name of the chapter, that is permutations. And I have made you clear in my previous videos that permutations means arrangement. Alright, I have n objects. Out of that I have to select, maybe arrange r objects or maybe all of them. So that arrangement is called permutation. Out of n objects taken r at a time or all at a time is called the arrangement. Such arrangement is called permutations. Alright, so we'll start with the first part. With the permutations, when all the objects are distinct. We are doing when all the objects are distinct, different. Alright. So now the theorem 1 is the number of permutations. Number of permutations means number of arrangements of n different objects. N different objects. First of all, we are doing the cases for different objects taken r at a time. n मेरे पास different लोग हैं. ठीक है, I have different students of a class. उसमें से मुझे r स्टूडेंट्स को पिक करना है. ठीक है, where always keep in mind r is greater than 0 and less than equals to n. n में से r चूज करने हैं, तो n बड़ा होना चाहिए ना. r cannot be greater than n. अगर r greater than n हो गया, इसका मतलब है कम लोग हैं और उसमें से ज्यादा चूज करना है. Is it possible? मेरे क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स 20 हैं, बट मुझे 30 स्टूडेंट्स चूज करने हैं. Is it possible? No. So this is not possible. r has to be greater than 0 and less than equals to n. And the repetition of the object is not allowed. Repetition मतलब n students, I have 30 students in my class, जिसमें से मैंने 10 students को choose करना है for some competition, and this is repetition is not allowed. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि child A is participating in a debate and the child A is participating in arts and crafts also. That's not possible. So repetition is not allowed. Then what is the formula? The formula is NPR. That means n total उनकी permutations करनी है, arrangement करनी है, taken r at a time. Taken r at a time. Now we are formulating the formulas. Is it clear? Otherwise I'll just give you an example. It's same thing what we did principle of counting. वो भी तो arrangement ही था, वहीं से आया ये. NPR. n total objects permutation करने जा रहे हैं, कितनी r taken at a time. That means 30p10. 30 students में से मुझे 10 students की arrangement करनी है. Is it clear? I have to arrange those 10 children in different like competitions. Repetition नहीं होगी. Alright, that we have to do it. So NPR, अगर NPR को ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, P बार NR, इसका मतलब total n उसमें से R at a time pick किए गए हैं. ठीक है, और इसको कैसे solve करते हैं? NPR, that is n factorial upon n minus R factorial. You will be using this formula for NPR. n factorial upon n minus R factorial. n factorial upon n minus r factorial. Is it clear? And if I open it, what is the rule? बड़े वाले को open करो जब तक छोटा ना आ जाए और उसको cancel कर दो. So this can be written this way also. I'll just give you an example and then you will be able to correlate. Fine. I have say 5 letters. 3 letters word form करना है with or without repetition. That means 5 हो गया n. 3 लेटर फॉर्म करना है तो R हो गया 3. सो नंबर ऑफ अरेंजमेंट एक बार फॉर्मूला से करते हैं, एक बार डैश वाले कंसेप्ट से करते हैं जो पहले किया था. ठीक है, डैश वाले कंसेप्ट में क्या था? इट सेज रिपीटिशन इज नॉट अलाउड. सो फर्स्ट प्लेस वुड बी फिल्ड इन 5 ways. Second letter would be chosen in 4 ways. Third letter would be chosen in 3 ways. So by principle of multiplication, it will be 5 into 4 into 3. So that is 60. So 3-letter words are 60 possible out of a 5-letter word with or without, meaning where the repetition is not allowed. Clear? Up, he says the same thing we can do by this formula also. I have n objects, different objects, where are objects to be taken. Clear? इनकी arrangement कितने way में possible होगी? 5p3. Solve 5p3. What is the formula? n factorial upon 5 minus 3 2 factorial. 5 minus n minus r, 5 minus 2 factorial. Is it clear? Solve it. I told you open करना है बड़े वाले को. Got it? So the principle of counting was basically permutation only. There we had to fill the dash. Here we have a directly. We can directly apply the formula. But ध्यान क्या रखना है? Formula तब apply होगा अगर ये condition given है वहाँ पे. I have n objects, different objects, where I have to pick up r at a time. Is it clear? R objects to be arranged where the repetition is not allowed. Then I can apply the formula NPR. That is n factorial upon n minus r factorial. Clear? Alright. Fine. अब the same चीज अगर same चीज repetition में आ जाती, repetition is allowed. Suppose इसी को करते हैं solve. Repetition is allowed. 1, 2, 3 places to be filled. First place के लिए 5 choices, second place के लिए 5 choices, third के लिए 5 choices. That means 5 raised to power 3. Repetition allowed है तो एक digit 3 बार भी, एक नाम letter 3 बार भी आ सकता है. So that means in that case where repetition is allowed, it is n raised to power r. The number of permutations of n different objects taken r at a time. Where the repetition is allowed, it will be n raised to power. What is n? 5. What is r? 3. So n raised to power. Clear these two theorems to everyone? The first, it is the case of when the objects are distinct. When the objects are distinct. जब सारे different objects हैं, so what do you have to do? If n objects are there, taken r at a time, alright? So and repetition is not allowed. The formula is NPR, n factorial upon n minus r factorial. When the repetition is allowed, it is n raised to power r. n raised to power r. अगर suppose इसी में एक theorem और बना दे, third theorem. If I make a third theorem here. The number of permutations of n different objects taken all, if I take all at a time, taken all at a time, taken all at a time, I am coming to this only when this sub case of this, alright, all at a time is n factorial, that is NPN. Repetition not allowed. मतलब I said the number of permutations of n different objects taken all at a time is n factorial. That means I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? 5 places है, 5 letters है, 5 ही places fill करनी है. Repetition is not allowed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that will be 5 into 4 into 3. That is 4, 5 factorial. That's n factorial. Is it clear? The number of permutation of n objects taken all at a time. अगर सबको इकट्ठा ले लिया जाए, इसका केस है ये. When the repetition is not allowed. When the repetition is not allowed, then it will be NPN. NPN is n factorial only. That's all. 5 में से 5 ही select हुए हैं, ठीक है? Then it will be 5 factorial. That will be n factorial only. That will be n factorial only. Is it clear to everyone? These three things. All right. We will do some questions related to it. I hope it's clear to everyone. All right. So, without repetition, n different objects taken r at a time. Without repetition, n different objects taken all at a time. And with repetition, it will be n raised to power r. Let's pick up few examples. See the basic questions. Few basic questions. I just need to solve it for n. This is just not the word problem. Simple solution of p. I'm just making you well versed with p. How to solve p. That's it. I have to find n when np5 is equals to 42 into np3. Solve it. We know that what is the formula of npr? N factorial upon n minus r factorial. Alright, open with the same formula. N factorial upon n minus 5 factorial, and this is 42. N factorial upon n minus 3 factorial. See n factorial just constant, so can be cancelled. अब n minus 5 and n minus 3 फैक्टोरियल का रूल वही है, बड़े वाले को ओपन करो जब तक वो छोटे वाले तक पहुंच नहीं जाता. अब n minus 5 और n minus 3 में से बड़ा कौन सा है? n minus 3. So I'll open n minus 3 till the time I'll reach to n minus 5. Open it. n minus 3. एक माइनस किया. n minus 4. n minus 4 minus 1. n minus 5 that I needed, so I will keep a factorial there. Cancel. I hope this is clear to everyone how to open n. 5 है तो 5 4 3 2 1, तो n है तो n पहले, उसमें से एक एक माइनस करते जाना. So now it can be in denominator. This is n is greater than 4. अगर greater than 4 है तो ना तो ये वाली टर्म 0 होगी या यही टर्म 0 होगी. Because very important, denominator should not be 0. Clear? Factorize it, solve it. So factors. And 10 and n minus 3, we know that n cannot be minus 3, negative and fraction, so this is rejected. So n is equals to 10. Clear? Everyone? Very, very easy. Now pick up the last one. It's the second part of it. It's the same thing. I'll solve it. n factorial upon n minus 4 factorial upon n minus 1 factorial upon n minus 1 minus 4 n minus 5 factorial. ठीक है. I have to open the bigger one, n minus 1 और n minus 1 का कॉम्बिनेशन. n ओपन होगा, n minus 4 और n minus 5 में से कौन सा बड़ा है? n minus 4, so this will be opened. So I have n into n minus 1 factorial and n minus 4 को n minus 4 into n minus 5 factorial, n minus 1 factorial as it is, n minus 5 factorial as it is. This cancel with this cancel with this. So we are left with n upon n minus 4 is equals to 5 by 3. Again, denominator is not 0 because n is given to be greater than 4. Cross multiply, this side will go this side. So it will be 20 is equals to 2n, n is equals to 10. Got it? Is it clear? So very easy, just carefully you have to open the factorial. Once the factorial is open, it's done. See, this factorial thing is going to come in the next chapter also, binomial theorem. So you have to be careful. There also the terms involving n would be coming. So you have to see that you know it well. Alright? One more question we'll do for the practice. 5 into 4 PR is equals to 6. 5 PR minus 1. We have to solve it for r. Same way. 4 factorial upon 4 minus r factorial. 6 into 5 factorial upon 5 minus r plus 1. So it will be 6 minus r factorial. Children, you need to be careful in calculation. अपनी मर्जी से कुछ नहीं लिख दो फटाफट. Clear? You have to 5 minus r plus 1. So 5 minus r plus 1 would be 6 minus r. Clear? So I'll open the bigger one. 4 minus r और 6 minus r में से बड़ा कौन सा है? 4 में से r सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रहा है, 6 में से r सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रहा है. तो 6 में से r सब्ट्रैक्ट होना is the bigger number. So I'll not touch this. So 5 into 4 factorial. 6 minus r. 6 minus r में से 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया. 5 minus r. 5 minus r में से 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया. 4 minus r1 factorial. Cancel. Cancel. 5 cancel. So we are left with 1. 6 minus r. Clear? Cross multiply. Factors. So I have value 8 or it can be 3. The value of R can be 8 or it can be 3. For both the things, your answer is going to be same because both are positive, so both are valid. Is it clear? So this is how just the basics, how to solve this P word, NPR. That is just a solution of NPR. Now we will be picking up the word problems related to the topic. Okay, before we start the word problems, first of all, we will complete all the theorems related to it. Alright, for the permutation, so that we can get a mixed questions. If you suppose do a topic wise question, in the end you will get confused. So we'll complete the theorems first of all, and then we are going to pick up the word problems of permutations all together.